In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show the ribbon only in full screen mode on Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up PowerPoint, select the Home tab at the top in the ribbon bar, and then on the far right side, there should be a down arrow for ribbon display options. Go ahead and select that. And then once you have selected that item in here, there should be something that says full screen mode. Go ahead and select that. And that's all you have to do. And if you want to reverse it, just select the three-dot icon at the top, and then click that arrow again, and then just uncheck the full screen mode option. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.